Welcome to A1 Grammar Lesson 1, Adverbial Phrases of Frequency. Section 1, Adverbial Phrases of Frequency. An adverbial phrase is a group of words which always go together. Adverbial phrases describe when and where. Adverbial phrases of frequency describe how often something occurs. Vocabulary for adverbial phrases of frequency. Every morning, every afternoon. When we want to say every day, we can use the term daily. When we want to say every week, we can say the word weekly. When we want to say every month, we can say monthly. When we want to say every year, we say annually. We can also say every Sunday on Sunday afternoons, which all have different meanings that I will show you later. We also can say once a day, twice a day, 3-4 times a day, which just depends on how many times a day that thing occurs. And lastly, we also can say all the time. Examples: I go to school daily. I have a volleyball game weekly. Mother's Day happens annually. On Sunday afternoons, I watch football. Twice a day, I feed my cats. Notes to consider. Adverbs of frequency often go in present perfect sentences. On Sunday refers to one day. On Sundays refers to all Sundays. So if it is singular, it occurs once, and if it is plural, it occurs on all. Section 2, Adverbial Phrases of Time. Adverbs and adverbial phrases of time. Adverbs and adverbial phrases of time can be used to talk about when you do something. For example, I will go to school tomorrow. Afterwards, I will go to the restaurant. Adverbs of time vocabulary. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, nowadays, now, first of all, beforehand, soon, afterwards, later, next, then. Notes to consider. Adverbs of time usually go at the beginning or end of a sentence or clause. Example: I will go to school tomorrow. Tomorrow appears at the end of the sentence, and that is our adverb. Afterwards, I will go to the restaurant, to a restaurant. Afterwards appears first. Afterwards is our adverb of time. It is more common to use then at the beginning of a sentence or clause. It is more common to use soon and new at the end of a sentence or clause. Section 3, Adverbial Phrases of Place. Adverbs and adverbial phrases of place. Adverbs and adverbial phrases of place can be used to talk about where something is happening. Adverbs of place vocabulary. Outside, inside, indoors, upstairs, downstairs, over there, over here, abroad, overseas. Adverbs of place usually go after a verb. Adverbs of place can also go after the subject. Example: my bedroom is upstairs. Upstairs is our adverb of time, and bedroom is the subject. So, upstairs comes after the subject, my bedroom. I play volleyball indoors. Indoors is the adverb of place, and play is our verb. Therefore, indoors is after the word play because they have to go after the verb. I hope to study abroad. Study is our verb. Abroad is our adverb of place. Abroad comes after study. Common mistakes. Make sure adverbial phrases of frequency are in the right place. Don't use the plural form with every. Don't use an adverb of time between the subject and the object. You must use a noun after, and before. If you don't use a noun, use afterwards and beforehand. Thank you for joining me with our A1 Grammar Lesson 1 Adverbial Phrases of Frequency, which we also talk about phrases of place and time.